If you're wondering that, can you use your micro SD card with your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the Ultra? So in this video, I will answer this question. Now to do that, just grab the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just grab your Samsung phone and insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your smartphone. Now just press the SIM card ejection tool gently and the SIM card tray will pop out. Now just grab your SIM card tray. As you can see, we have a slot to enter our first SIM card. On the other side, we have a slot to enter our second SIM card. And there is no slot to enter micro SD card. So the answer is no, you cannot add a micro SD card to your Samsung phone. But if you have a micro SD card and if you want to access it through your Samsung phone, there is a way to do that. For that, you'll need a connector, specifically a USB Type-C to a micro SD card connector. After you get the connector, then just plug in the USB Type-C port with your Samsung phone, just like that. Just grab your Samsung phone and plug in the USB Type-C port to your Samsung phone. After that, just insert your micro SD card into the SD card reader. Now after you do that, now on your Samsung phone, if you open the app drawer, then go to the My Files app. Now over here, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option of USB storage. And from here, you can access your micro SD card. As you can see, if I go back, the internal storage section is the storage of our Samsung phone. And under external storage, we will find our micro SD card. And from here, you can copy data into your micro SD card, and you can also access data from your micro SD card. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.